In this video, you'll learn how to import leads into Pipedrive in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to Pipedrive or looking for a faster way to add prospects to your system, this process will help you keep your pipeline organized and save time. Start by opening your Pipedrive account and navigating to the Leads section from the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your potential opportunities are stored before they are converted into deals. Keeping leads in this section helps separate them from your active pipeline and makes them easier to review and manage. Once inside the Leads section, make sure you are in the Leads inbox, which is the default view for new entries. At the top of the table, locate the Add Leads button. Next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional import options. From the menu, choose the option to download the official template provided by Pipedrive. This template is important because it already includes the correct column structure required for importing data successfully. Open the downloaded template file and begin entering your lead information. Add one lead per row and ensure that each piece of data is placed in the correct column. It's important to keep the headers unchanged and follow consistent formatting throughout your data. For example, use standardized formats for names, addresses, dates, and statuses. Avoid adding extra sheets, merging cells, or including unsupported characters, as these can cause issues during the import process. Once you've completed your spreadsheet, save it in a compatible format, such as Excel or CSV, depending on what the system supports. Return to the Leads inbox in Pipedrive. Go back to the same area where you accessed the template and upload your completed file. Pipedrive will process the file and import your leads into the Leads inbox. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a short moment. After the import is complete, refresh the Leads view and review a few entries to ensure everything has been imported correctly and appears in the right fields. That's all there is to it. To summarize, go to Leads, open the Leads inbox, download the template, fill it out carefully, and upload your file to import your data. By following the template and maintaining clean formatting, you can avoid errors and quickly get your leads into Pipedrive. If anything doesn't look right, you can adjust your spreadsheet and re-upload it as needed. This process helps you stay organized, reduces manual work, and ensures your lead data is structured and ready for use.